I might put it in one video though. I just have to cut the thing. Yeah, he broke my stick at the end of the last one, so I don't think I caught it, but at least he broke it. That's short. And we're just cleaning it all up of all that stuff. That's why it's Mario music. All the gunk. We call algae normally. Should name my channel Even in the Nature. Because we're just cleaning up nature. Oh god. No. Even in the Matrix? Wait, step on this. Step on this. Oh yeah, we can step on this again. Last time it was like, oh, we didn't record last time, by the way, sorry. I should have said that last video.
We can step right there.
Oh no, that's all gunk and mud. The last time.
Who says about mud?
Don't make me. Ah! Algae on the ground. Bro, look at this big. Yeah, it's summer. What do you expect? It's the first day of spider season. Oh my god, look how small it is! Yeah, you're right. Look how small that is.
We need to clean it.
Look how clogged it is.
Clean it.
I thought that was kind of. Look at how small that is. Where? Yeah, it's small jiggles. I'm gonna go get the other. I'm gonna go call it from. Ow. Hey, bro. Yeah, I know. Let's go say, hey, bro. I know him, bro. Because we met him last time. Have we met him? Okay, I can't hook anymore. I just have to slap spin. Slap spin. Slap spin is the ultimate tool. I got it. Oh no. We're back here. We got to clean up all this gunk right here.
Okay. Then we jump stick. Oh!
What the hell? What the hell? By the way, this is not my channel, not his, okay? So don't. Ah! Stop! That's all over my phone! It's all over me, bro! It's on my phone!
I have a fishing rod now.
That is not a fishing rod. Oh, it's all over. Why? This is worse than I thought.
Let's go back.
We're calling this a Jeremy infection. Brooklyn. No, not the Jeremy. Brooklyn? Not that girl. Not her. Oh yeah. No. We're not Mario. We're not Mario. I hate this stick. It hit me.
She said she's my boyfriend. No, she said she's like
But someone named her kid Joy. Someone named her kid Joy.
she's in my class.
Not this school, but like the last school I went to. Her name was freaking Joy. And she was really the most joyful one in second grade. I'm in like sixth grade? I'm in sixth grade. Yeah, maybe no.
Oh, you gotta pick one.
I'm in sixth or seventh grade, I don't know. Don't do that, you second grader. Yeah, I'm like 13 years old, so.
Good girl. I was born for you. Clean my stick off.
We're not making this shit.
There's a stick back there that's clogging it off.
I'm just gonna get all that extra gunk from under. Oh, I got a lot of gunk. Yo, the jiggles are crazy though. Oh my god.
There's a giant stick.
There's a giant stick back. Oh my god, that's bark. Oh my god, look how bad this stick is. We're gonna clean this area. would you do that with the stick? I gotta clean off my phone again. Okay, sorry, I had to clean off my phone. I'm gonna have to make 2 videos for this though. Why? Not in your mouth. I gotta cover the camera.
I got a big donkey.
This is my first video.
Save the acorn. This is the first video. Save the acorn.
No, 2 videos actually. I'm doing 1 video. I actually paused the other one, so.
But yo, that frog I saw back there, it literally jumped on the wall and then jumped in the top.
Stupid frog.
Oh my god! I had a giant piece of gunk right there.
That hooker too overpowered. We still have a lot to clear out though. I'm gonna look over here, see how it's going. It's getting a little bit better. It might be getting worse. No, why are you playing the Christmas version? Why? Not the pond, the waterfall song.
Golden fish. Golden fish.
You are in 2nd grade. So don't say that kind of language. Why am I so like a dad now? I am. I have to put that phone off though. I don't know how. I don't have like a high editing camera. I don't have a GoPro. This is my phone. iPhone 16, bro.
iPhone 1.
I want the iPhone 1. I'm not that old.
Bro, it's the iPhone 1.
Yeah, I took over my dad's channel. Oh my god! I took over my dad's channel for this. Not gonna lie. Okay, YouTube.
Oh my
I took my dad's channel.
Oh my god! I had something big. There's something big. Something big.
Get it? I can't get that. Yo, what is that?
What is this, bro?
Oh, gunk. Oh my god, the jiggles.
Oh, yo.
There's something up with you, number 1. Look at that stick of gunk. Oh my god. This war we're gonna win this war. We're winning the war.
I don't know if we're gonna win this war. Because the spider just went up my goddamn head.
Stop saying goddamn. Not like I believe in God or anything, I'm just saying. Why? Why algae all over me, bro? Why would you? I keep screaming like a girl. Stop. I'm a guy. I'm a man. You're a woman, bro.
If you wanted to be a prince, you would be a woman.
Bro. I'm gonna throw the stick in there if he's doing that. I'm gonna grab that stick and throw it. Grab it. Bug is sucking my blood! The bug is sucking my blood. You bites, bro.
Grab this. I'll put this in your mouth.
Oh, frick! Why was I not looking where I was going? Why are you screaming? Sorry. I needed a stick. I had it! Why? I had enough of you! Oh, thank God. It's Jamie's husband! It's Jamie's husband!
I need to upgrade my
It's Jamie's husband! No, don't do that! That's not husband, bro. I Bye. Yeah, you gotta get another one if you want to upgrade. Yeah! Okay, I think I've cleared it out enough. I'm gonna change the depth. So, I'm gonna change the depth. I should not be not. Never mind. Mosquitoes get stuck in my blood.
I'm gonna give you the limping disease.
I can't change the depth because this is not funny. I can only change the camera or the zoom, bro. I could do this, but I can't do the other thing. There's so many cars, bro. There's one right there. One behind you. There's so many trucks with lights on top of them. I honestly just prefer the original. Mosquito! I think we should go inside. Oh. Sorry. Didn't know. You gotta move your scooter, right? It's in the road. Yeah. Guys, it's time.
Wait, we can stand on the road. We can stand on the road.
No.
Yeah.
Let's go. We're leaving. No. We're gonna leave though. We're gonna go back. Yeah. We're going back, bro. Get in front of me.